Hi everyone. I just wanted to show you a preview of my new book, Gratuity Included. This is actually the proof from my printer. It's the second proof actually. We're still fine-tuning some things. This will have a red film book cover when it's complete, kind of like this Xerox mock-up I did earlier, and it will also be perfect bound. Gratuity Included features 41 photos, as you can see here on the index page, and it is 70 pages long. The book is sequenced, kind of like a fever dream, fueled by various raucous nighttime activities, and each sequence is separated by red film inserts, like you see here, and there are 6 sequences total. There are also several double trucks, meaning images that span 2 pages, and pre-orders are now open, and the link is in my profile. All books ship the week of March 15th, so please reserve your copy now.